Hello friends and my dear student. Today we are solve and learn news analysis A B. आज हम न्यूज़ एनालिसिस के ए और बी को पढ़ेंगे और उसके प्रश्नों के उत्तर देंगे। सी और डी का हमने पहले भी बना चुके हैं उसका। क्लोज शूज्ड नॉट क्लोज्ड शूज not allowed in examination hall Bengaluru. Shivam Institute of Senior Technology Bengaluru has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank paper, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by the invigilators. अब हम इस प्रश्नों को हल करेंगे. What is the meaning of issued candidate and invigilators? What is the meaning of issued and candidates and invigilators? इसका आंसर है issued का मीनिंग made something know formally. दूसरा candidates here the person who are appointed to supervise exam. Who is the conducting the test? Candidates here the student taking an examination. Third one is invigilators, the person who are appointed to supervise the exam. इधर एग्जाम लिख देते हैं, एग्जामिनेशन, एग्जाम. Who is conducting the test? Answer Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology Bengaluru is the conducting the test. Third, discuss the following in groups of 4 or 5. Why is closed footwear, shoes, socks not allowed the examination? Point for preventing copy, hiding notes and other material for using the answer sheet. B. Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadget the hall? Points. Some candidates take disadvantage of keeping electronic gadget, communicate outsider, feed answer in the gadget for copying. Next. C. Why other measures can be taken to prevent copy. Point. Strict supervision, CCTV cameras in each class, hall searching clothes, compass boxes, etc. Stringent action to be taken against the candidates found copy to the extent complete ban. 4. Why is this news published in a newspaper? The news is published in the newspaper as a warning to all concerned, also to spread answer among parents, students, and the school management, and to prevent copying cases. Second news is B items. Ritika takes break from acting. Mumbai, September 9. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break the heart of her fans in an informal chat with journalists. She revealed that she will not sign any more film after completing the big budget movie, and next month she refused to give any reason for her decision. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. आंसर इस प्रकार से इसका उत्तर लिखना है. Guess the meaning of most highly paid, revealed, signed film. Answer most highly paid. The actor, actress who get the highest amount for acting in every film. Revealed, made something known to somebody. Sign film, to sign a legal agreement with the producer for acting in the film. Second, what words are used for the following in the news item? Film industry, something on which a lot of money is spent. Answer, film industry, Bollywood. B, something on which a lot of money is spent. Big budget movie. Guess why Ant is a big budget movie? Answer, cast of the movie must be very famous stars. Their fees must be very high. Expenses on technology from foreign countries and attractive fabulous location must be have cost the producer heavily. And next question is 4. Can you think of other reason for Ritika decisions? Answer, she must be tired of acting for a long time. She might be choosing some different of retiring. Uh, why she was at the top, she might be getting married. Fifth question, what will be Ritika's decision, Ritika's reaction to this news? Ritika will refuse to give any reason for the decision, or she will not make any comment. She might call a press conference to clear the things. And next workshop, English worker. Write your own impression about the news item given A, B, C, and D in the table below. There, news item A, B, C, D. Good news, bad news, reliable, unreliable, interesting, uninteresting, boring, and others. तो a न्यूज़ आइटम जो है किस प्रकार का है? दिस इज़ अ गुड आइटम, दिस इज़ अ रिलायबल, दिस इज़ अनइंटरेस्टिंग. बी, बैड न्यूज़ है बट ये रिलायबल है, इंटरेस्टिंग है. सी, बैड न्यूज़ है, रिलायबल है, इंटरेस्टिंग है. डी, बैड न्यूज़ है, अनरिलायबल है और अनइंटरेस्टिंग है. इस प्रकार से हमारा इस पाठ का स्वाध्याय समाप्त होता है. धन्यवाद.